to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Vitamix. I bought a Vitamix A3500. I believe it's the latest or the newest model out of all the ones that Vitamix has created, and I want to share it with you guys today. I also got this set of blending cups, which I got because the jar that comes with the Vitamix itself is a 64-ounce jar. So let's open it up and see how it looks. I'm going to show you guys right here. And here we have, this is a 64-ounce jar that comes with the Vitamix. And as you can see, it's pretty big. Here is the lid, and this right here, you can remove this, you pretty much unscrew it or turn it, and it comes off, and you just put it back on and it clicks back on. Here's the tamper. This is used for when you're making like ice cream or some dips and butters that are a little hard for the ingredients to go all the way down to into the blade. You take this part off, this right here, and you put the tamper in through here and pretty much just push all the ingredients in there all the way to the bottom until they all get run by the blades. Let me show you guys. It comes with this Simply blending book right here, and it says quick and easy whole food recipes for every meal. So there's some recipes in here to get you all started if you don't know like what kind of things you can make in there or how to make them. It gives you some ideas there. It has another booklet. I think it's a booklet. I don't think it's a DVD. I'll open it up in a minute and show you guys. And I'm going to take out the base. Here we go. It's heavy. Here. This is the base. I got the color that I got, or the model, is the brushed stainless steel. And you can see this right here. This is the brushed stainless. And I want to show you guys, this one has settings, like 5 different settings on it already that you can just press. This one is digital. You pretty much just hit one of the buttons and it'll do whatever you're trying to do. Like this one's for smoothies, ice cream, hot soups, butters. This one right here with the bubbles, that's for washing the blender itself, which I'll show you how to do that in a minute. This is the start and stop button. This one is the pause button. This one is used a lot for doing like butters, or like when you're trying to, like for example, pico de gallo. That can be used for that, to chop the ingredients down. So so I can show you guys. Plug it up. Oh, before I forget, another cool thing that this has is it has a cord storage area in the bottom. So if you don't need the whole length out, you can pretty much wrap it around the bottom and just leave it the length that you need instead of having the whole thing out. Okay, so the first thing you guys need to know is, up on this ones, they have a lock button, which is ideal for people like me that I have small kids. That way they won't just come up here and hit the button and it'll go off. it has a lock button right here on the side. So you press this and the blender comes on. You can see. And if you can press it back off, it'll go back off. So that's a good thing to have whenever you have kids, because they can't really mess with it unless they know where the button is and they know how to turn it on. But that's how you turn it on, and it's ready to start using. Now I'm gonna show you the other cups. Well, let me open this first, and then I'm gonna show you the cups, the set of cups that I got extra, because I'm not gonna be using the cups today, but I will be doing another video on those later on. Right now I'm just going to show you how to use the blender. Okay, like I said, here's this little booklet. It shows you, on here it says how to put it together, find the home, which means find the place for it on your countertop, how to wash it up, how to run a smoothie. It pretty much just goes through the first steps of how to use your Vitamix. Now this one is the manual for it, and it has, again, the same things. It shows you how to use the buttons, what they're used for. Pretty much just gives you like a quick setup of how you have to start using your blender. Now I'm gonna open the book and show you what comes in, what kind of recipes this book has. Hard to use. Okay. The cover feels really soft. I'll show you. It has design your own smoothie. It shows you like what ingredients or what type of ingredients you can choose to create some. It gives you some smoothie recipes already. Apple kale smoothie, avocado cucumber and lime smoothie, all kinds of stuff. You can find desserts. What is this one? I skipped one. Oh, you can even make baby food for butters and other simple things. Anyway, it's just a little bit of what comes with it. But let me show you how to run these. I'm gonna put some water on here. You have to fill it up a little bit, like maybe not all the way halfway, but close. And then put a little bit of dish detergent on it. Put it on the base and let it run itself, and it's ready to use. The cool thing about this lid is that it clicks on when you put it on there. You hear the click, that means it's in all the way. You hit this button right here to wash. It starts from 6 ahead and it runs for 35 seconds. Let's let it run. It's done. It stops on its own because this because of the timer that it has on it. So you just have to pour it back in the sink, rinse it off, and it's done. it's all done. It's ready to use. You can make your first smoothie or whatever it is that you want to make. I'm gonna make a demonstration on a smoothie real quick. And okay, let me repeat that. I'm going to be making a demonstration on a green smoothie real quick, just so you guys can see how good this blender works with the smoothies.
A few moments later.
Okay, so let me show you guys how to do a smoothie. And I've heard a lot of good things about these Vitamixes, that the taste on the smoothies, especially the green ones, they're super good. So I want to try it out and see how it comes out. Now the first thing that they recommend for you to do is always put the soft things at the bottom, and you're supposed to always use a fruit and then the rest of it vegetables, most of the time when it's green smoothies. So I'm using a banana today, and I'm gonna put it in here. And then the rest is gonna be a couple pieces of broccoli, some 2 leaves of kale, a handful of spinach. I'm gonna use some cucumber slices, and I'm going to use some celery. I chopped it up a little bit. So that's my ingredients. Then I put water. I usually use about maybe 10 to 12 ounces of water for that much ingredients. Put the lid back on. I'll make sure I put it on right. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna hit the smoothie button and see how it times it itself. It's gonna be running for 50 seconds. Let's hit the start button and see how it comes up. And it's done. Now I'm gonna pour it in a cup for you guys to see how well it blended. Try to take this lid off. You can see right here. I'll show you. You can see. It actually looks like it blended real well. Now let's taste it. It tastes really good. A lot better than with my old machine. So that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this video, if you have any questions or any comments or suggestions, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.